Hey everyone, it's Crafty Crochet Lady here, and I'm going to show you how to do an invisible decrease today. So the first thing you want to do is you make sure that you only go through these front loops here instead of going through the whole stitch like this. You want to just go through these front loops here. So 1 and 2. So you have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over, and then you want to pull through those 2 that you just went into. Then yarn over and pull through those remaining 2. And that is how you do an invisible decrease. Now I will just show you how a regular decrease would look like, just so that you have an example of the difference between each one. So I'm just going to do a decrease normally. And you see how that, you see the three lines there from your stitches, and it's very obvious that that's a decrease. But when you go back here, and you can see the invisible decrease here, and it looks just like a regular stitch instead of having those 3 lines there. And so when you're making toys or amigurumi, you do want to use that invisible decrease so that you don't have those lines showing. And that is the difference between an invisible decrease and a regular one. So if you like what you see, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.